applause to the finish line. Well done to everyone for joining in all the fun and taking part. You've made Sports Day 2020 a virtual one to remember.
Mrs. Wright, Mrs. Finlay and I would firstly like to congratulate our full school community, from pupils to families, Mrs. Andrew to Heather, staff to Parent Council and Mr. Swan. Everyone has contributed to ensuring the safety, learning and positive relationships and experiences at our school. A special thanks also to active school coordinators and students who have led activities for Onthank throughout the school year. Let's hear it for Onthank Primary!
Girls. First up, we have the Walking in Templeton mascot. This is for the boy or girl in primary 6 for continuous super work in maths throughout the year. And this year we present the Walking in Templeton mascot to Cameron Love. And this year we present the Casey Craig Memorial Cup to Gregor McMillan. And this year in Onthank Primary we award the Bryony Morgan Memorial Cup to Emily MacDonald. Mr. Banks' handwriting cup should go to Georgie Chisholm. And this year we award the Lara Dugan Kindness Cup to Cameron Lindsay.
I couldn't be prouder of our full school community this year. A huge well done and thank you from me. What an exciting journey we have ahead. Now, there's one final prize, an award for a friend of Onthank who supported us, guided us and has been an absolutely marvellous chair of our Parent Council. That is Denise, so thank you Denise. Here's a special video just for you.
As you can see, we really do have so much to celebrate at Onthank Primary thanks to you, our pupils, our staff, our families and community. Let's take a look at how you became involved in our Positive Choices Week, so wonderfully organised by our very own Mrs. Williams.